Good morning.
April 5, guys.
Look at the line of this Aqualiner. A few days ago, there was a lot of people. Now there are a lot of people because the sakuras are sakuraing. There's a lot. See in the river. So pretty. And we're gonna buy ourselves a ticket also. Of course, we're gonna join the bandwagon. Just look at it. Really pretty. Yeah. Very, very pretty. So go.
April 5, we got our Aqualiner tickets. And it's full blown. It's really full blown right now.
Yeah, April 5.
Compared to like April 1, it was like
Yep.
4 days makes a difference. And
So-
people
know that they're gonna bloom.
Yeah, and there's a festival, I guess. It's just a bunch of stalls.
I think there's gonna be a festival later or some parade already.
Yeah, there's a lot of tents around the river bank.
Yep, real.
They're gone now. Goodbye.
The view is very pretty. Yeah. Well, is there? Yeah. Very cool. More cherry blossoms there.
We're on the Aqualiner bus. We got lucky, we got an open roof.
Yep, open roof. Everything is pretty.
It's also very slow, that's not windy.
Yep. Hello.
Everything has a video.
You wave at people. Look at the view.
I need my
Yay, we're going straight.
worth it. It's a big bridge, my goodness.
Oh my god, look at that!
It's good. Some people waving. It's windy as fuck as well.
Yeah, we're back in Osaka Castle. We're like probably a Matsuri. There are people there celebrating something, but there's like a mascot. Confused. Yay. It's so sunny today. Okay, we now are going to a different entrance compared to the past 3 days ago. Yeah, there's a sakura inside. And look at them. Yee.
Hello! It's a video. Supposed to take a selfie.
Lol, we are at Osaka Jokoi.
Day 2 of Osaka Castle. So yeah,
I'm just so chilling right now.
from rainy to really fucking bright.
Can't open
Basically
my
no
eyes.
clouds.
No jet bell.
Jet trails, the chemtrails.
Oh my gosh, so much sugoi sakura. So much sakura everywhere. I love it. Yeah.
Look at all the sakura.
We are teamLabs. And it's so dark.
Dark, and it got freakishly cold now.
It's
Just
cold
like
now.
the sun got turned off.
You know, the heater has been turned off. Now we are reading in cold. The real cold. This is
Hey, look at that.
This is-
too accurate.
this is the Earth's natural temperature. Charot, joke lang. But it's really cold. 17 degrees.
I guess I know my limits.
Like 2 layers only. Heat-tech and then sweater. No.
Take a puff for this jacket.
But he has a puffer jacket, so it's fine. I was expecting this to out. Lights. I was expecting it, but it's still cold. Still cold. I should have
There's
worn.
probably no pictures. It's hard to get pictures now.
Yeah, just look at how crappy our face is right now. Let's go. We're going in. Look at that's the entrance. I'm not sure if you can see, but like trees. That's the entrance. It looks so sussy, baka. It looks pretty. That's the promotional artwork.
It's very small.
It's small from here. I can't see myself. I am no one.
There's an artwork explanation in the website. The QR codes are in the entrance, but no one's gonna fucking read that. I swear to God.
I'm not reading it. I did not read it. Oh, I'm sorry.
No one has
but,
time to read that shit, honestly.
but you know, just one sentence is fine. But like,
Yeah.
oh, I don't have all the time in the world. It's like 2 hours and 30 minutes only. I like that part.
It's still not dark enough. It's a VR shot.
Not dark enough.
Yeah. Also, this metal is really cold.
Colorful trees. It's kind of crowded. E.T. phoned home.
Oh, bro. Use the app. Probably can do something about it.
I love eggs. Eggs is what keep me going in the morning. It's my
What
own.
does this exhibit even mean? Giant, colorful eggs.
You need the app so you can
Ew. I have to read?
read.
Ugh. There's one thing about this teamLabs in Osaka. It's still Instagrammable.
Not Instagrammable. Uninstagrammable, whatever. I don't even Instagram that much.
Dude, look at this color. Yung night shot, tapos yung walang night shot. Which one is better?
Well, no night shot para ano sa mga ganyan. Pero with night shot kasama ka. Are these dragon eggs or eggs of chicken? Eggs ni E.T. Eggs. Egg balls.
I'm being consumed.
No! No! Ang gulo. I found the source.
It's shouting.
Ayan na. There's the source. To go wobbly. Egg! Ah! Egg! 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 Char. Egg, egg, egg. Oops, sorry. Can you see the water-esque effect of that? The light pollution is kind of terrible. It's ruining the vibe. This is interactive. You can actually draw if you have the app. But we revoke our rights to have the app. Charot.
Revoke our rights.
From the inside, it looks like eggs, but from afar, they look like beauty blenders for makeup. This is a giant beauty blender. But I am not a makeup guru enthusiast or something. But I know stuff.